Look at my puppies. Look at my puppies. Look at my puppies. Aww. Aren't you pretty girls? Aren't you pretty girls? You pretty girls. That's right, that's pretty girls. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. What happened? What happened, buddy? Oh, what happened? What did that lady do? What did that lady do, huh? What did she do? Huh? No. Jackie yelled at him. Yes, she did. Jackie yelled at them. Yes, she did. You pretty boy. Oh.
I always love little puppies. They're so weird.
Wiggly and jiggly. Say wiggly and jiggly.
You're so tiny too. Hey, look at it. I'm holding my knees together and she can fit me.
You little cute puppy. Yes, you are. You little cutie. Yes, you are. Just little cutie. Yes, you are.
Problem up there.
Well, territory.
She's new. He don't know her. And then,
I know this one. She's all over me. Picks on me, mean to me.
Oh, look at that. He's on my foot. So warm.
you pretty boy. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? You're too much. Did you go again? My goodness. You're full of beans, huh?
Come here. You can't run too far. You get all tangled up and everything.
Did you see he tucked her butt? That's so cute. Look, aw. Jackie would be a good Jackie. No, well, she's just teaching her manners. She won't bite her. See, did you see how she laid down right away? It's because she was saying, okay, I get it. That's because Casey's a good little girl. That's right, Casey's like, yes, you're a good little girl too. Yes, you are. You're a good little girl too. Yes, you are. That's right. That's a good boy. That's a good girl. That's a good girl too. Yes. Oh, it's a good big sister. That's right. It's a good big sister. Oh no, you gotta go back in the house. Oh no! Oh no! You are too cute. Too cute. Can't stand it. Too cute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, come here.
So is that how that's how dogs talk? They growl sometimes?
You got kisses. Have you got kisses?
Alright, so we'll be right back.
You too.
Oh, I'm not picking Dodger up.
Yes, you are.
Dodger, Dodger. Dodger, Dodger.
Man, Jackie, your breath stinks. Here, you can take Jackie.